Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing and very quick look here at the Turtle Beach Recon 70 wired gaming headset. This works, you can see down there, for the Xboxes, the PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, and mobile as well. You guys want to go ahead and read that, go right ahead. But premium ear cushions, lightweight comfort, high quality 40mm speakers, and flip to mute mic. So this is, you can see here, nice red, a little bit of black in there. I actually got this from Walmart. I actually don't need one of these, but saw it at Walmart. I actually had this color, or only this color, for like 23 bucks here in the US. So I was like, well, can't pass that up for 23 bucks. I think the other colors were 35 bucks. And I think actually on their own website, on Turtle Beach's website, they are 40 bucks. Alright, there's nothing else in there. As I fold that way, it's a nice red. Bit weird though, this is a bit darker than what this is, as you can probably tell there in the video. So that's a little bit weird. But this is supposed to have that flip up to mute mic, which is really cool, as far down as it goes. Turtle Beach on the top there. A little bit of grooves there. Things do go fold out that way as well. The little Turtle Beach symbols. They feel nice and cushiony. The nice cushiony on the top here. This is of course just hard, this red bit. You also have your volume speaker there. I say volume speaker, your speaker volume there. There we go. The sound volume, I guess. And no other buttons, so there's no way to control sound versus just people speaking. And a nice long cord here. Alright, so I just plugged them in real quickly to my, closest thing that was to me, which is my 2DS here, with some Pokemon Moon on it. It sounds about what you'd expect for a, around $30 headset. I mean, it's not fantastic, but it's not horrible. I mean, they will work for the price, especially only $23. Even 35 or so. Some seem like they'd be okay. Again, that was just for the 2DS, so different systems would probably be a little bit different. Yeah, so that's just a very quick unboxing and quick look here at the Recon 70s from Turtle Beach. And this is, of course, adjustable. And that goes for both sides here. Figured I'd mention that. I think every headset is that's like this, but still. Yeah, they're very nice looking. I do wish these were the same color, but otherwise, yeah. So yeah, there you guys go. Very quick look and unboxing of the Recon 70s from Turtle Beach. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one. I appreciate you. Goodbye.